Hi boys and girls, it's me, Miss Fender. Before we play our game Spill the Beans, I wanted to go over what our numerals look like from 0 all the way to 5. So here they are, and we're going to start over here by the 0. This is our 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to do it on our fingers before we play the game. So this would be 0 because there's nothing. 0 means nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I think we're ready to play our game. Okay, let's play our game, Spill the Beans. You can see here that I have a picture of a jar on my piece of paper. I also have the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 Skittles because I don't have any beans at my house. I also have a marker and some paper to record so I can practice my writing. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up our 5 things. Like I said, I have Skittles. We're going to pick up our 5 things, oops, shake them up a little bit, and then you're going to drop them on top of your jar. Now that we've dropped our 5 things, we get to count how many fell inside of this jar and how many things fell outside of the jar. And then we get to match them with the numbers up here. So if I count how many Skittles fell inside of my jar, I see that there's 1, 2, 3 Skittles inside of my jar, and here's my number 3. And then 2 of my Skittles fell outside of my jar, and there's the number 2. So I have 3 inside of my jar and 2 outside of my jar. If you want to at home, you can practice writing the numbers. So 3 fell on the inside of my jar, and 2 fell on the outside of my jar. Now I get to do it again. Okay, here we go. Pick up my 5 things, shake them around a bit, drop them. Oh my goodness. Well, this one's over here. I see that there's no Skittles inside of my jar, so that means there are 0 Skittles in my jar. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Skittles. There's the 5 Skittles outside of my jar. So I can record that on my piece of paper. So 0 Skittles are inside of my jar, and 5 Skittles are outside of my jar. Okay, do it again. This is a fun game. Shake, shake, shake. Drop the Skittles. I like how they roll. Okay, this time, if I'm looking inside of my jar, I see there are 2 Skittles inside of my jar. There's the 2. And 1, 2, 3 Skittles. 3 Skittles outside of my jar. So I can write a 2 for the 2 Skittles inside of my jar, and a 3 for the Skittles outside of my jar. You can keep playing. I hope you had fun with this game today, practicing your numbers and counting 0 through 5, and I'll see you guys soon.